Welcome to the Imran.Family kitchen. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make ginger, turmeric and lemon tea. So let's cut to the chase. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. That's quite good. That's quite good. Now, more so than the taste, it's delicious because we put a lot of honey in it. It's got immense health benefits in it. It's anti-inflammatory, so those who have some sort of joint problems, it's a remedy for those people to have this. Also, full of antioxidants, very, very good, even good for people who have coughs, that sort of thing. But it's yummy because it's got that lemon in it, it's got the honey in it. Let's move on to the recipe itself. So I have a thin slice of ginger that goes inside. Two thin slices of lemon goes inside. 1/4 teaspoon of organic turmeric that goes inside. That's the raw unfiltered honey. 1 teaspoon of raw unfiltered honey that goes inside. Some boiling hot water, like so. So I have a little, just a little piece of lemon here. I'm going to use that as a garnishing, as a presentation tool. So that goes just there on the side, perhaps like that. I just want to mention over here that if you want to find out further health benefits, more in detail of the benefits of turmeric, you can see the link above somewhere, and that will direct you to my video, which is how to make golden milk, and you'll see the benefits of turmeric in there. So do give that a watch. Okay, you saw how to make that ginger, turmeric and lemon tea. Wonderful. So with that said, like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, hit that notification bell icon so that you are informed of our daily releases, share this content to as many people as possible, and with that said, catch you in the next one.